Hey dudes, welcome back to my channel. This is Gokul. In this video we going to see how to create a pop-up login form using HTML and CSS. Let's see the preview. Let's start with index.html. Attach the required links and files in the head tag. For this h1 tag, I have written the styles in HTML page itself. This is called as inline styles. For this button, I have used checkbox input and the above card, which is class name called wrapper. After that, given input types with the login button located in the form tag. Now let's see the style.css file. Write the styles for each class name. Okay, let's see the result. We got a pop-up login form without a JavaScript. That's all dudes. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to comment on below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we need your support. Thank you dudes. Let's see in another video. Bye.